If you need to remove a payment method from your Stripe account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Log into your Stripe account. Access the Stripe website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to manage payment methods. Step 2. Navigate to the Payment Methods section. Once logged in, go to the Customers tab on the left sidebar. From there, select the customer whose payment method you want to remove. Step 3. Select the payment method. In the Customer Details page, scroll down to the Payment Methods section. Here, you will see a list of all payment methods associated with that customer. Step 4. Remove the payment method. Locate the payment method you wish to delete. Click on the three dots or options menu next to it and select Remove or Delete from the drop-down menu. Step 5. Confirm the removal. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to remove the payment method. Confirm your choice to complete the removal process. After following these steps, the payment method will be successfully removed from your Stripe account. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Stripe support for help.